Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you areas of triangles. Areas of triangles. Students, first formula number one, it is important for any triangles. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. In short form, 1 by 2 into b into h. Figure of this type of triangle is ABC. B a triangle. B is base and height AM. AM is height H. So B into H. And second formula is base of a triangle. Base of a triangle. Base of a triangle equal to 2 into area. 2 into area. This 2 by transposition 2 into area by height divided by height. And third formula is height of a triangle. Height of a triangle equal to 2 into area by base. And fourth formula is area of an isosceles triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle equal to 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 4 into base. Area of an isosceles triangle equal to 1 by 4 into base into under root 4 into 4 into 4 into equal side square minus base square. Minus base square. Its short form is 1 by 4 into base is b into under root 4a square. Equal side is a. 4a square minus b square. Understand and write it. Students, now formula of different types of triangle. Formula number 6. Area formula number 5. Area of a right triangle. Area of a right triangle equal to 1 by 2 into product of its diagonal. Area of right triangle equal to 1 by 2 into product of its diagonal. Figure of right triangle is ABC be a right triangle. So AB and BC is a legs. Its legs. Right is 1 by 2 into AB into BC equal to 1 by 2 into perpendicular P into base B. It is base, perpendicular, and it is hypotenuse. Formula number 6. Area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. If side is a small a, then root 3 by 4 into a square. Equilateral triangle. AB equal to BC equal to AC. Here perpendicular AM. It is denoted by H. 7. Perimeter equal to perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. His side is A. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to 3 into side equal to 3. 3 into side. Formula number 8. Height height of an equilateral triangle height of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 2 into side equal to root 3 by 2 into A. Now other is Hero's formula. Hero's formula or Heron's formula also. Hero's formula. Suppose ABC be a scalar triangle. The opposite side of vertex A is a small a, the opposite side of vertex B is a small b, and the opposite side of vertex C is a small c. So A is equal to perimeter by 2, that means semi perimeter, equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to under root AS into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. First of all, find semi perimeter S A plus B plus C by 2. After that, write area of triangle ABC under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now calculate and find the area of triangle. Understand and write it. Students, now prove that the area of an equilateral triangle with side A is root 3 by 4A square. Prove that area of an equilateral triangle with side A is root 3 by 4A square. So let ABC be an equilateral triangle with side A. Put side is A. A, B, C. Construction. Draw AD perpendicular BC. AD perpendicular BC. This side, all sides are equal. A and A. We know that altitude of an equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle from vertex divided to equal bisect the base. So B bisect BC. So BD is A by 2 and CD is A by 2. And this is height H. AD is height H. Now find in triangle proof. In right triangle, ADC, in right triangle ADC, H equal to AD, height equal to AD equal to under root hypotenuse AC, AC square minus CD square equal to AC is A square minus A by 2 square equal to A square minus A by 2 square, A square by 4. Taken LCM 4 under root 4. So 4A square minus A square equal to 4A square minus A square root 3A square, and denominator is root 4. A square root of A square is A. A square root of root 3 is root 3. A square root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2A. Now find area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 into base into height equal to 1 by 2 into A, 1 by 2 into A into height is root 3 by 2A equal to root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 into 2, 4. So root 3 by 4, A into A square. 2. Students, today your homework is remember define and theorem. Thank you. That's all.